Okay, so I'm going to eat my dinner now. It's 7:30. I eat my dinner between 7 to 8. So for dinner, I made a sandwich and some salad. I'll show you. So this is the sandwich that I've made from the bread I got. Uh, I got eggs. I got these beans. Then I got some chips for me. This is some salad and some cookies for desserts. Also the Tropicana. What I do is this is basically a coffee cup. Whenever I parcel my coffee or take away my coffee, I get these type of plastic containers, so I don't throw them. Instead, I divide my Tropicana or real juice into 6 portions in these cups. So whenever I'm having it, I know how much I'm having it. So yeah, this is pretty much I'm going to have for my dinner.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so today I will show you how to make a good cup of coffee. I will be making a French press. So for French press, you need some water. This is electric kettle. This is my French press, and that's coffee. So first what we will do is we'll put some coffee. Then we will boil some water. Okay, now you have to wait till the water boils, and when the water starts boiling, you have to switch off the kettle. Now you have to see if the water starts boiling, you have to switch off the kettle. And now what we will do is we will wait for like 30 seconds to let the water cool down to its desired temperature, because we do not have to put hot boiling water inside the coffee. In that way it will destroy the coffee and the essence of the coffee. So we have to let it cool for like 30 seconds or a minute maybe, and then we will put the water into the coffee. Now this is a difference when I make coffee. What I do is I put some water and then I shake this French press and then I close the lid. So in this way all the essence of the coffee, it comes out very nicely, and then we will put all the hot water into it. So I'll wait for like a minute. Now we'll put all the water. And we'll wait for 3 minutes now. Okay, so the coffee is ready. And now why do we call it as French press? Because we have to press this and all the coffee will go down and only the water will remain upside. Now here is the fun thing about French press. You get all the oil over here from the coffee, but if you will pour over coffee with the help of tissue paper or the coffee paper, this oil will get stuck onto the paper. So that is the reason why I make French press. So today I have decided to give my friends a small treat. So that is the reason why I'm making burgers for them. So for that I'll require some buns, some patties obviously, and some veggies. So for veggies I have used tomatoes, capsicum, onions and cabbage. And this is my secret sauce. Okay, I'll tell you the recipe. What I do is I mix tomato sauce with mayonnaise, and then this is my secret sauce. So okay, I'll show you how I make burger. Let's see. So first you have to take the bun, and then you have to cut it in half obviously, and then this is all butter I have put on it. Okay, then first before putting cabbage, can you close it? Okay, before putting cabbage we will first put some sauce. Okay, then we will make a small bed of cabbage on it. Then we'll add some veggies like tomato, capsicum and onion. Okay, after that again some sauce. Then a patty on it, and then before putting the top layer of the bun, again I'll add some sauce, and then I will put the top layer, and the burger is ready. Okay, so now like this I have to make 8 burgers now, and I have to give it to my friends. I'll see you later. Welcome back to another dinner. So today I made a burger for myself, also some salad and some chips that you know already. And so today I decided to try out these ready to eat poha, and this is the hot water. We have to just add this hot water. I think that is okay, and then we have to shake it, and then we have to okay for 3 minutes, and until it's made. Also I've got so what goes with burger is Coke, so that is the reason I'm having Coke, and some desserts, biscuits.